Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, today's video is going to be a whole house cleaning. We are going to be doing lots of cleaning throughout the whole house. You guys really enjoy these whole house cleaning videos, so I hope that you enjoyed this one today. And we are starting off the cleaning here in the living room. As you can see, it is a mess. There was a pile of boxes over here. I got a ton of stuff in the mail the day before and on the day I filmed this, so I had a lot to go through there. Of course, I have to have my coffee before I get started, and I'm having some cold coffee. This is some cold brew espresso coffee. It is my absolute favorite, and lately I've also been adding a scoop of collagen to my coffee just to give it a try. I see so many people talk about how they add collagen to their coffee every morning, so I'm just going to give that a try for a little while, and you actually don't really even taste it in your coffee. So after I had my coffee made, I went and got started with the cleaning in the living room. We're going to do this cleaning video a little bit different than my other ones. Usually I show you the mess in the whole house before we get started, and then I don't show you how clean the house looks until the very end of the video. But for this video, we're going to work room by room, where I'll show you how messy one room is, then we'll clean it, and then I'll show you how clean it looks afterwards, and we'll just do that for each room in the house. So I hope that you guys enjoy that. Now I'm going to unbox some of these boxes that I've gotten in the mail here. I've already unboxed about half of them, and one of the things that I had ordered was some of this My First Sidewalk chalk set. This is from Melissa and Doug. I think I got this off of Walmart, but we have a chalkboard in the boys' room and they were just getting chalk all over their hands and all over everything, so I think this is just going to make it a lot easier. I also got this beautiful backpack in the mail that I will show later on in a future video for our trip that's coming up. If you are new here to my channel, then I would love to have you subscribed. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below, and then click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. And you can also head over and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @HannahsHappyHome. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers over there, so I would really appreciate it if you would go and give me a follow. So I had just folded that white blanket, put it over the back of the couch. I walked out of the room for just a couple seconds, came back, and Owen had pulled the blanket off, got on the pillow and covered himself all up with the blanket, all cozy. It was really cute. He was starting to get sleepy because it was almost nap time. I am going to be trying out some new cleaning products in today's video, which I am super excited about. I always love trying out new cleaning products. It just makes cleaning a little bit more fun. Anything to make cleaning more fun, right? And so these cleaning products are from the company Truman's, and they are sponsoring today's video. So they sent me 4 different cleaners and bottles. So this kit that they sent me is called the Truman Starter Kit. It comes with 4 27-ounce non-toxic spray cleaners. We are going to be using each of these 4 cleaners while we clean the house today. The first one that we are mixing up here is the Glass is Always Cleaner, is what it is called, and obviously this is a glass cleaner. I love to watch when you put that cleaner inside and you screw on the lid. You can just see like the cleaner diffusing down into the water. It looks really neat to watch. And so I'm going to be using this glass cleaner on the windows. I was highly impressed with how well it cleaned the windows. I think that it did an awesome job. You can get 50% off your starter kit with my code Hannah, so I would definitely recommend taking advantage of that 50% off code and just going and giving them a try. I loved all of the cleaners. Like I said, we'll be using them throughout this video. There's so many pluses to using Truman's because, like I said, they're non-toxic and you can reuse the bottles, so you're reducing waste and clutter. And when you run out of cleaner, you can just get on their website and order some refills. They're only $3.75 a piece, so super affordable. You definitely just need to go and give them a try. You've got that 50% off code Hannah, so definitely take advantage of that. I will have the link and the code down in the description box. Last thing I want to do in the living rooms is to get the floors vacuumed. I'm using my Tineco vacuum from Amazon, and instead of just telling you all to just go to my Amazon storefront, I'm just going to start putting the direct link for this vacuum down in the description box, because if I don't mention it or link it, I always get questions down in the comments, so I just always try to be sure that I mention it. I hope that this video has been motivating for you so far, and that you're getting some cleaning motivation, or that you're cleaning along with me. If you're cleaning along with me, then always let me know down in the comments what you are cleaning. So now both of the living room areas are spotless clean. Like I've said in previous whole house cleaning videos, I always like to work room by room like this, and lately I've just been vacuuming the room after I'm done cleaning it, and then moving on to the next room and portion of the house, cleaning it and then vacuuming it. The next room we are going to work on is the kitchen, and as you can see, it was quite the disaster. Before I got started in the kitchen, I just wanted to really quickly fold the clothes that were in the dryer so that I could get a new load of clothes started in the washer. I had a few loads of laundry to get done today. Okay, so I got those clothes folded, got them all put away, and then I got a load started in the washer. I don't know what it is lately, but it seems like that laundry just never ends. But it always helps if I just fold the clothes straight out of the dryer onto the top of the washer and dryer, and then I just put everything away right away. Just helps me be able to get it all done at once instead of just dragging it out forever, leaving piles of clothes on the couch and everywhere else to fold later and just not getting stuff put away. It just always makes it easier if you just fold it straight out of the dryer. I'm going to be using Truman's Everything and the Kitchen Sink on the countertops and the sink. This is just a great all-around spray for in your kitchen to spray on all of the surfaces. I always like to spray some type of multi-surface cleaner on the countertops before I wipe them down. It always just makes it so much easier to clean the countertops. And I love this kitchen cleaner from Truman's. I just spray it on the countertop, on the spots that are on there, and then when I go to wipe it off, they just came off really easily. I've been using this cleaner for the past couple of weeks now, and I have been loving it, so I definitely recommend this one. Last thing I wanted to do in the kitchen was to quickly sweep it with my cordless vacuum, and then I just wanted to spot clean a few spots off of the floor using that Truman's floor cleaner. I didn't want to mop the whole floor since the whole kitchen floor didn't need mopped. There was just a couple of spots that I wanted to get up after I vacuumed. Now the kitchen is all clean, and we are slowly but surely getting this whole house cleaned up. We've got the living room areas cleaned, we've got the kitchen cleaned, and we've got the laundry started, and now I'm going to head into the master bedroom and start getting that cleaned after I finish putting these clothes here into the washer. Now it's time to clean our very messy master bedroom, and over here along the wall I have my suitcase that I showed in my previous video, and I ordered this stretchy cover for it off of Amazon just because after spending all that money on a new suitcase, I didn't want it to get all scuffed up. I mean, I know it's just going to happen when you fly with a suitcase, but I thought that putting this stretchy cover over it might help at least a little bit, and it really wasn't that expensive. I'll put a link for it down below. Like I said, it was off of Amazon. So I got this room straightened up, made the bed, hung up some clothes, and then I vacuumed the floor. Now we are going to work on the master bathroom, getting everything cleared off the countertops, clean the window, the countertop, and the toilet. There I mixed up that next Truman's cleaner, and this one is called More Shower to You. It says shower, but you can actually use it on your counters and your toilet, etc. I used it on my counters and it worked great. Then I just used a microfiber cloth to wipe down the countertop, and then after that this bathroom was all clean and it was time to move on to cleaning the hall bathroom. So the next room that we would normally clean would be the boys' bedroom, which is that door that's closed on the right there, but that room is currently getting a makeover, so I'm not going to show you guys that right now. And then this other room is just our spare bedroom where we have all of our workout equipment and just an extra bed, so we're not going to bother cleaning in there. I just had a couple of things in the hallway there from cleaning the bedroom and the bathroom, and then I just vacuumed the whole hallway, and that was it for the cleaning. I hope that you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. If it gave you cleaning motivation and inspiration, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also don't forget to check out Truman's cleaning products. I will have the link down below, and with my code Hannah you can get 50% off with your starter kit from Truman, so definitely go take advantage of that. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in a few days with a new video. Bye.